In this video, I want to show you how Logos syncs your progress across books in your library across devices. Now, I think pretty much everyone knows in Logos, if you are opening up a book that you have read, say I'm on my desktop like I am here, and let's say, let's go for, what was a book I was reading recently? I was doing Michael Heiser. Let's go with I Dare You Not to Bore Me with the Bible. If you have not read this one, this is a really good book. Would recommend it. It's like a devotional style, super easy read, really great information. Now you can see I pulled it up. It did not go back to the very start of the book. It went to right where I had left off in this section about baptism as spiritual warfare. That's pretty easy. That's something you learn relatively early on using Logos. But what you may not know is that it also syncs across devices. So let me show you here. You're probably not going to be able to see it as well because I don't have this one linked up, but I'll show you. I have Logos on my phone, so I'm pulling up the app there. And let's pull up Baptism as Spiritual Warfare. Now, I want to say right up front, you have to make sure that the book was not open in the other device. So, like on my phone, I don't want to have Baptism as Spiritual Warfare up on the phone already, because sometimes that'll mess with the syncing. It has to be that you open it up new, and it'll catch wherever you were on your last device. So I find in my library, Baptism, or I Dare You Not to Bore Me with the Bible, click on it, and probably can't see it that well, but yeah, it won't focus on that. But right up at the top, it pulled me to the Baptism as Spiritual Warfare section. So that is a really awesome feature. I'm not sure everyone knows about, but it works on mobile and on desktop. It should also work across the web app, that whatever you leave off on any one of your devices, as long as that particular resource is not already open on another device, it will sync to that location on the device. Let me show you one other quick cheat you can use for this as well. There's a way that you can bookmark your progress so you can go there on any other device. It's really simple. Right here, you go to this hamburger menu. We like to call it the three lines there, kind of looks like a hamburger, and you click on that, and you see you have your table of contents, you have a notes section where you can have notes linked specifically to this book, and you also have the star. The star is your favorites, and you have something right here where you can click add. Now if you do add and open panels right here, page 193, that's where I am in the book, page 193. I click on that, and it saves right here as basically a bookmark. In fact, I think these used to be called bookmarks in Logos, but it kind of merged with the favorites. It's basically the same thing, and this is a way that you can save multiple locations. Now you see I did this in a couple other places as well. So page 87 and page 95 as well, and I can go right here to page 193. Now, here's where it gets really helpful. Shows up on my other device as well. So if I go to the hamburger menu on there, I have contents, recents, and favorites. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but I have three different lines there, and it's the same ones, page 193, 87, and 95. So really easy ways that across devices you can keep track of your progress in any given book.